Hello, I'd like to give you a little peek into another culture and how things work in education. If you think it's hard to get into a college, try getting into a kindergarten in Thailand. Here is my close buddy's daughter. Here she is, dressed in her little costume for something or other. Bua, her name is Bua. And this is her nursery school teacher, one of her nursery school teachers. Take a look at the text I got from my friend in Thailand. Her real name is Bai Bua, but we also call her Bua for short, like James, Jim. She had to take a competitive examination to get into a new school. It's a kindergarten. This is our friend, our mutual friend, Nong. Nong's daughter used to study in. There's the city kindergarten. Look, she got number 18 out of 150 kids. And I text back, congratulations. By the way, it says 10:51 a.m. That means it's 10:51 p.m. in Thailand. Well, that was pretty exciting news for my little Bua. Yep, a kid has to pass an examination to even get into kindergarten. Well, here's little Bua and Mom. I guess they're here signing in. There they found her name. Mom's pointing to the name. Dad's taking the picture. Here she is, and I'm sure Mom is now on the phone calling her friends and telling them. And here's the happy family. There's Bua, her mom, and her dad, who's my buddy. Then Dad had to do a video call with me over the Thai wireless Wi-Fi system. And there I am, and there's Bua. And we had a little conversation. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Where are you, Uncle Skip? Very simple, but imagine that, kindergarten. So that's just a little peek at another culture and how things get done.